What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another friendly reminder with your girl Kanina. It's Monday, June the 5th, 2023, and I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are starting your week off on the proper foot. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are having an awesome Monday so far. So, y'all, different parts of manifesting greatness. You want to work on building habits, getting rid of the bad ones and building up the good ones. So, I'm going to go ahead and run over some topics with you guys on how you can build healthy habits and get rid of bad ones. So, um, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for taking the time out to watch the entire video. I appreciate y'all for that. And let me know what you guys want to see, like what you guys want to talk about. Would you like these kind of videos, or do you like vlogs better? I'm working on a couple of vlogs now, so I'm just getting everything together with my editing, trying to make sure everything is perfect before. So I might as well just go ahead and try to like drop it, I guess. I don't know, but it's gonna be all right, y'all. I just really been, trying to figure out where I'm gonna go with it as far as like what I'm gonna. But so we're gonna go over building healthy habits and getting rid of bad ones, y'all. Y'all know I just dropped a couple of bad habits, so I'm just stoked about that. I'm really just feeling good about that. So, um, you know, building healthy habits and getting rid of bad ones is crucial for our personal growth, well-being, and success in various aspects of life. So, habits, they shape our behaviors, they influence our daily routine, and ultimately determine our outcomes. So, whether it's adopting a regular exercise routine, or improving time management skills, or cultivating positive relationships, developing healthy habits can lead to a happier, more fulfilling life. So, we're gonna explore the importance of building healthy habits. We're gonna go over some strategies for establishing them and techniques for breaking free from unhealthy habits. If you guys want to read more on this, or you guys want to go over this as well, you can find it on my website, my blog down below, your girl Kanina. It's going to be on my blog pretty soon. As soon as I upload this video, as a matter of fact. Okay, so um, why build healthy habits? Your long term well being, healthy habits contribute to long term physical and mental well being. So, engaging in regular exercise, maintaining a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and practicing stress management techniques all have a positive impact on our overall health and vitality. So, by building healthy habits, we can proactively take care of our bodies and our minds, preventing the onset of chronic disease and promoting a healthier quality, higher quality of life. So, personal growth, like developing healthy habits, is an essential part of personal growth and self improvement. So, if you are like myself, working on yourself, it doesn't matter how old you are, it doesn't matter how young you are, you want to improve your life, then you must develop healthy habits versus bad ones. So, it allows us to challenge ourselves, it allows us to step out of our comfort zone and cultivate disciplines and resilience. So, healthy habits help us strive for continuous growth, pushing us to achieve our goals and fulfill our potential. So, increased productivity, that's another. Healthy habits are often linked to increased productivity and efficiency. Establishing routines, setting clear goals, and managing time effectively can enhance focus, concentration, and overall performance. So, by eliminating distractions and engaging in productive habits, we can accomplish more in less time and achieve better results. Improved relationships. Building healthy habits positively impacts our relationships with others. So, healthy habits such as listening, effective communication, and showing gratitude can foster stronger connections and deeper understanding. By cultivating healthy habits in our interactions with others, we can create a positive and supportive environment that benefits both parties involved. So, then we're going to go over some strategies to build healthy habits. So, you want to start small. Begin by focusing on one habit at a time. Trying to change too many habits, behaviors simultaneously can get overwhelming and it can increase the likelihood of failure. So you want to start simple, like remember the KISS method, keep it simple, stupid. So you want to start simple, with a simple, attainable habit and gradually build upon it. So set specific goals. Clearly define the habit you want to establish and set specific measurable goals. For example, if your goal is to exercise regularly, specify the number of days per week and the duration of each session. Setting measurable goals provides a clear roadmap and helps track progress. So you want to set specific goals. Create a routine. You want to create a routine. Incorporate a desired habit into your daily routine. Consistency is key when building habits. So allocate a specific time each day dedicated to the habit. It'll make it easier to stick to. So over time, it will become a natural part of your routine. So make a habit of it. Make a habit of creating a routine. So utilize habit stacking. You want to connect the desired habit to an existing one. Habit stacking involves linking a new habit with an already established one. So, for example, if you want to develop a reading habit, commit to reading a few pages of a book immediately after brushing your teeth each night. You know? So, you want to also use reminders and visual cues. Place reminders or visual cues in your environment to prompt the desired habits. Set alarms, leave sticky notes, or use smartphone apps to keep you on track. The cues serve as a gentle reminder and they help reinforce the habit. So, accountability and support. Share your goals and progress with a trusted friend, family member, or a mentor. Having someone to hold you accountable can provide motivation and encouragement. So you want to either join a support group or find an accountability partner, you know, that can also be beneficial. You want to celebrate milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate your progress along the way. Set milestones and reward yourself for achieving them. This positive reinforcement reinforces the habit and creates a sense of accomplishment. So, now I'm going to go over some techniques for breaking unhealthy habits. So, the first thing you want to do, you want to identify triggers. Understand the triggers that lead to the unhealthy habit. It could be stress, boredom, or certain environments. By identifying these triggers, you can take proactive steps to avoid or address them. Then you want to replace with a positive alternative. So replace the unhealthy habit with a healthier alternative. For example, if you tend to snack on unhealthy foods when stressed, find a stress relieving activity such as meditation, going for a walk, or practicing deep breathing exercises. So you want to replace that negative energy with positive energy, basically. Replace that unhealthy habit with a positive habit. Okay. So modify your environment. Modify your environment to make it less conducive to the unhealthy habit. Remote triggers or temptations remove triggers or temptations from your surroundings. For example, if you want to reduce screen time, keep devices out of the bedroom or set designated periods of usage. So, you want to practice mindfulness, cultivate mindfulness to increase awareness of your actions and choices. Mindfulness allows you to pause and observe your behaviors without judgment. This self awareness helps you recognize and break from unhealthy patterns. So, you want to observe, your behaviors and, I mean, without judgment, but sometimes we do judge ourselves. But still, like, observe it and become aware of it and try to change it on your, seek support. The next one would be to seek support. So reach out for friends, family, or professionals. Join support groups, seek counseling, provide guidance. They can provide guidance, encouragement, and accountability when breaking unhealthy habits. So and the next is learn from setbacks. Understand that setbacks are a normal part of the process. If you slip or you revert to the old habit, don't be too hard on yourself. Just learn from the experience, analyze what triggered you, what triggered the setback, and you recommit to your desired habit. Practice self compassion will be the last one. So, practice self compassion, be kind to yourself throughout the process. Building healthy habits and breaking unhealthy ones takes time and effort. So treat yourself with compassion and forgiveness, celebrating progress rather than dwelling on setback. So celebrate the little things, celebrate the small things. Like, I'm so happy that, I mean, I haven't smoked a cigarette since the middle of May. And it may be June 5th, but I feel great about that. Like, I feel really good about that. I've literally worked out every day. I even got up this morning and was like, I don't want to work out. I don't want to do donkey kicks. I don't want to do fire hydrant left. Fire hydrant. And then that internal monologue was like, if you don't get your ass there, if you don't get your ass up and work out, like, I said, okay, I'm a man. I gotta get my shit together. Like, I want to get fit. I want to get, I want to be healthy before my birthday. My birthday is in September, so I want to be right. And I'm like, shit, baby, it's. I mean, it can be difficult, y'all. Y'all, it can be difficult, but give yourself a pat on the back for, getting rid of getting rid of the unhealthy habits, getting rid of the bad habits and replacing them with the healthy ones. Like, man, like, it, it's, it's been a wonderful, experience so far. And I'm gonna like stick to it because shit, why not? So, okay, so just to recap, building healthy habits, and eliminating unhealthy ones, eliminating unhealthy ones is essential for personal growth, well-being, and success. So by consciously focusing and on developing positive behaviors and eliminating detrimental patterns, we can enhance our physical health, our mental well-being, productivity, and relationships. So by utilizing effective strategies and techniques, we can create lasting change and cultivate lifestyle that aligns with our goals and values. So be sure to remember that building healthy habits is a journey, and it does require commitment. It requires patience and it requires self compassion. So be committed, stay patient, and love yourself. Show yourself compassion. Forgive yourself for the mistakes and keep it pushing. Never give up. So, you guys, don't forget down below the links down below for my business building one-on-ones and for my meditation one-on-ones. Get your mental health in check, y'all. See what your business needs to make your profits go, rise up. You can also pick up the Dirty 30 down below. And yeah, it's your girl Kanina. And thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the time that you guys took out of your busy day to hang with your girl and get this friendly reminder. Thanks for that. I appreciate you guys. And don't forget to like if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Cut your notifications on because you get one of these every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right, y'all. Peace.